Good day and welcome back to this channel for another informative video. Now, as of the 1st of August 2021, TAB has been listed on various different exchange platforms such as Binance and Dextrade.com. Further great news, TAB has now also been listed on CoinMarketCap as well as CoinGecko, as you can see in these two tabs over here. Now, in today's video, we are going to go to XT.com as TAB will also be listed on here as of today. And I'm going to show you how to, first of all, how to sign up, how to do your KYC, and then also how to deposit TAB from your wallet onto XT.com. Okay, so first things first, I need you to head over onto XT.com. Then we're going to click on sign up. And this is for you to sign up or register your account. Now, at the top, they give you an option, either signing up with your phone number or with your email. Now, I'm going to choose email because I just find it more convenient. And so you type in your email address. Then you need to set a password. Now, your password has to be at least 8 characters long, and it must contain upper and lowercase letters as well as numbers and special characters. And then you need to confirm your password. Then once we get to this stage, they will show you a picture with two puzzle pieces. Now what you need to do here is drag the pieces atop one another. So that piece on the left has to be dragged on top of the other one. Okay. Then here where it says dynamic verification code, you have to click on get verification code, and the code will either be sent to the phone number that you used or the email address that you used. Okay. So I just click on there. Then it will show there the verification code has been sent to my email address. Once you get that email, you come back here and then you type in the verification code, and then you also just tick this box and complete the sign up process. Sounds good so far? Okay. Okay, so right now I'm on my mobile phone and I've just downloaded the XT.com app. And now to do the KYC, I need you to head on over to the top right corner and then click on the human icon. Okay, then the second one from the top, just below Security Center, it says KYC authentication. Now here it gives you two options, primary and advanced authentication. We are firstly just going to click on primary authentication. Now they give you 4 different options there. The first one is nationality. So you have to select your nationality. And for this, I'm just going to choose the first one there. Then the next one is the type of ID document. And here you will either have to choose ID card, passport, driving license, or other. Okay, so let's just click on ID card. Then the third one is your name. You have to type in your name. And then the last one, your ID number as shown on in your passport or on your driver's or ID card. Then all you do is click next. All right, now after you've clicked next, then 3 pictures should appear on your screen. Number 1, it says they upload photos of XYZ and holding the ID card. Then number 2, please ensure that the ID card frame is complete, the image is clear, and the light is uniform when taking pictures. Now, the first section, it asks you to upload the front of your ID card. Then next, upload the back of your ID card. And the third one, and most importantly, a photo in which you hold your ID card and a piece of paper reading XT plus the date and your signature underneath the date as well. Once you've uploaded those 3 different pictures, then you just simply click submit for review. Okay, so we've now opened our account, we've done our KYC, so now we are going to deposit TAB from your wallet onto XT.com. Now once you've logged in, I need you to go to asset, then click on wallet account. Once you're here, go on over to the search box and then type in tab. Then it should display tab over here, and I need you to then click on deposit. Now here you have two options. Once you get to this little box over here, you can either use your mobile phone and do the scan the QR code, or if you're using a PC, you can simply just copy the link address. Okay, now a few things you need to remember on instructions on the deposit. Number one, tab deposits will be in your account after the 12th confirmation, and it can be allowed to withdraw after the 12th confirmation only. Number two, minimum deposits are 0 tab, and deposits will not be in your account if they are less than the minimum amount. Then lastly, please do not deposit any assets but tab to this address, otherwise you will lose your deposit. Okay, so we've now got that out of the way. So after this, it should take a while before your tab actually shows up on your account on XT.com. Once it does show up, you will get a notification. Then you can come back and view your history. So you can see your fund history. It will show you exactly the time, the type, the volume, balance, and transaction fees. You can also have a look at your deposit record, your withdrawal history, as well as your address management. Okay, now once you've deposited your tab onto XT.com, you can basically start trading immediately. And to do this, I need you to head over to trading. Then you will see there are three options: standard spot, pro spot, as well as standard margin. Now, as a personal preference, and because it's the easier choice, I would suggest you go to standard spot. Okay, now once here in the search box, again type tab, and from there on you choose tab, and once you are here you can now buy or sell tab. So with both options, if you want to buy or sell, you need to for example buying tab, you need to put in the buy price, the buy amount, and Bob's your uncle. The same with selling tab, the sell price and the sell amount. Once you've done that, you are good to go. Now, if you think this video has helped you, please hit that like button in order to support us. And if you want to get further notifications about the tab project, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button for further notifications. And as always, if you have any questions, you can comment in the section below and we will try and get to you as soon as possible. Thank you, and I'll see you again soon.